Houston Station on Space to Ground.
Welcome to Space to Ground. I'm Kayla LaFrance. This week, the crew is preparing for a holiday delivery and dreaming of sugar plums. Cargo Dragon is in the final preparations for its targeted launch at 5:06 a.m. Eastern on December 21st. This is SpaceX's 24th cargo mission. Set to launch on a Falcon 9 from Launch Complex 39A at NASA's Kennedy Space Center in Florida. After reaching orbit, the Cargo Dragon will then dock with the station the following day at 4:30 a.m. Eastern. SpaceX 24 will deliver thousands of pounds of goods to the station, including crew supplies and a variety of new scientific investigations, such as 4 new CubeSats, a new protein crystal growth study aimed to improve the delivery of cancer treatment drugs, a handheld bioprinter that will test technology that could one day be used to print tissue directly on wounds to accelerate healing, and several experiments from university students as part of the Student Payload Opportunity with Citizen Science, or SPOCS program. Be sure to follow along on NASA TV, nasa.gov, or the NASA app as we continue to follow this mission leading up to our full live coverage of launch and subsequent docking. Many of us dream of what it would be like to live in space, though very few of us get to actually dream in space. While living on the space station, the crew will experience sunrise and sunset 16 times a day. This can cause disruptions to their circadian rhythm and ability to sleep. The DREAMS experiment aims to study this change in the astronauts' sleep patterns and to examine how their minds and bodies adapt to sleeping in microgravity. ESA astronaut Matthias Maurer will be the next crew member to participate in the DREAM experiment. Maurer will be wearing a sleep headband for several nights that's fitted with dry electrodes and sensors. The headband will observe how he adapts and how his sleep patterns change while in space. The impact of microgravity on sleep is a key challenge facing future long-duration missions to the Moon and Mars. Today's Ask NASA question comes from Grace Ritter on Twitter, who asked, how do astronauts keep clean in space? The crew keep clean in space the same way we do here on Earth. They have daily hygiene activities to brush their teeth, comb their hair, and wash their hands and face. And they even give each other haircuts.
Great job with this. I'm thinking about a third career in hair cutting.
The astronauts wipe their bodies clean using a wet towel and wash their hair by using waterless shampoo. After washing, they will use dry towels to dry themselves off. They also have to complete weekly housekeeping tasks on board the ISS, where they vacuum all air vents and filters and smoke detectors. Then they disinfect and wipe down surfaces that are frequently touched throughout the day by the crew. Areas like handholds, the galley and its tables. Typically, there are 6 hours a week spent on keeping their station home a clean and safe environment. And that's Space to Ground for this week. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next week.
Subscribe for more space.